Fence installers provide fence installation across Cambridgeshire, from Cambridge to Huntingdon, Saint Ives to St Neots, Hurston to Girton, Far Hill to Godmanchester, Foxton, Royston and Duxford. We take care of every aspect, from supply of materials to installation and removal of your old fence. Customer reviews on MyBuilder, Rated People and Trusted Trader give fence installers a virtually perfect feedback score over many years. John in Saint Ives said absolutely everything was done as quoted and on time. AD in Cambridge said the fence looks amazing and was professionally installed and all materials cleaned up around the site. David R praised the very reasonable price, job done on the day they said, and quality workmanship. And Adam in Huntingdon said our team carried out all the work exceptionally well. Both our materials and installation prices are always advertised. Call now or use our quick inquiry form or free price calculator.